I'm staying at Le Royal Meridien Hotel in Dubai. This is my room, room 457. Come with me, I'll give you a room tour. Next door, they're just having room service. Enter the room like this, you just touch the card, come inside. The room is very modern, and I think this is why I chose this hotel over the Marriott, because the Marriott had very outdated furnishings. The best bit about the room is the view, but before we go and I'll show you the view, let me show you the other features. All the controls are high-tech. The room is kind of clean, but it's superficially clean. Have a look. Do you see the smudges in the mirror? These smudges were like this on day one, and I wondered if anybody will pick them up. They're still here, they're still on the mirror. Basically, whoever wiped the mirror hasn't polished it afterwards. I know I'm being picky, the rest is clean, but for a 5-star hotel, this is not acceptable, really. I'm a loyalty member, so because I'm a Starward preferred guest, there you go, Starward preferred guest, you get unlimited bottles of water in your room and free Wi-Fi, and they have lined them up nicely. There's Le Royal Meridien. You get 2 TVs in the room. I don't think they're needed because this is not a family room. So here's the first one, and here's the second one. Yes, the TVs are large, but who really stays and watches TV? What I find incredible is in this 5-star hotel, there's no coffee machine. Coffee facilities come like this. There's a kettle, which is a metal kettle, much better than plastic. You get cartons of long life milk. This is the tea and coffee selection, but you get powdered coffee. Most 5-star hotels, you get the Krups machines and the capsules. Otherwise, it's a very comfortable room. You get a nice couch. You get the paper delivered daily. Here's the bedroom part. Large mirrors. A desk. Very handy for working. And this is how you see the bathroom. There's a glass door separating the bedroom from the bathroom. So if you are sharing, everything is open in full view, including if you're on the toilet. If you're staying with friends, it's not ideal, really. The bed is lovely and soft. I had a very nice sleep. The mattress is comfy. Everything again is high-tech controls. You can control everything from this panel. The lamps are very nice. The bath is really wide. I'll show you how deep and wide the bath is. The controls are not the most comfortable controls to operate. And the temperature control only goes from 15 to 45, so you can't really have a hot bath, but that's another issue. You get everything provided, bathrobes, bath towels. Let me show you the bathroom. You get both a walk-in shower and a huge bathtub. The cosmetics are very nice. They're an English organic company, Marlin and Goes. I really enjoyed using them and they gave me loads. So they were very generous with the cosmetics, which is incredible. and I'll show you how huge the bath is. If you're a short person like me, in order to reach these controls, I literally have to lie over the bath and adjust the settings. And it's not easy to clean, so there's an Indian guy cleaning my room. He must have stood in the bath in order to clean the glass partition and the bath itself. Okay, so when I say it's superficially clean, this is what I mean. I'll show you. This is the glass partition door to the toilet. Look at the smears on it. This is either lime scale or some greasy residue, and it needs a deep clean. I don't know how these things don't get noticed. Let me show you the shower head in the shower. I haven't used the shower since I've been here because I like my baths. But have a look at this. This is the shower head. It has black mold. This shower head has not been deep cleaned for a long time. Do you see the black mold? Now this is a 5-star hotel. You get cleaner shower heads in 3-star hotels. If I had to use this shower, I would not be happy. It doesn't take that long to clean these holes. A good scrub with a sponge or a good spray with Viacal will remove this. So there you go, this is the shower. I'm gonna leave it there. Maybe that will give him a sign that there's something wrong. Similarly with the shower head here, can you see? It's moldy as well. Look, they're full of lime scale and mold. Because the light is above me, but you can see it's not clean. You can clearly see the lime scale deposits and the mold deposits. So when you are showering, you're getting a bit of mold and lime scale raining on you. Housekeeping leaves a lot to be desired. Even look at the shower screen here. Can you see the lime scale deposits on the shower screen? It looks clean on first glance, but when you look at it closely, look at the marks here. It's definitely smeared and not polished. And as I said, I have not had a shower here because I love the baths. So this has been like this for 4 days. There's the room. I don't know, maybe these are Dubai standards and I'm asking too much. But there's definitely lime scale on this shower cubicle. So there's the shower head again. I showed you the little shower head, and it's just things are not polished. The towels are nice and fluffy, plenty of them. You get face towels, tissues, toiletries. So no complaints on that front. It's just, it's not 5-star cleanliness. And there's this door here that I showed you. Okay, enough about this. Come and see the view. The view is to die for. this is the party after Friday brunch. So today is a bit noisier than usual. But look at this vista. There's Palm Jumeirah. And you can see the Atlantis Hotel and the other hotels next door. And the Royal Meridien is just next to Dubai Marina. And here's the Dubai Eye. Well, this is my hotel review of Le Royal Meridien Dubai. I'm returning to Dubai in 2 weeks and I'll check out another hotel. If you like my video guides, give me a thumbs up, share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.